happy smiles and sparkling eyes. We wear new clothes so neat and bright. Our hearts are filled with pure delight. Allahu Akbar, voices say, as Muslims celebrate this day. We gather close with love and cheer, for Eid Ul Adha now is here. We learn from Prophet Ibrahim's way to trust Allah and always pray. With kindness, care, and heart so true, we share our blessings with others too. Delicious food and treats to share, helping people everywhere. Family hugs and laughter sweet make this happy Eid complete. So thank you, Allah, kind and wise, for stars above and sunny skies. Guide us daily in what we do, and